Hey guys, this is Coder Shark. Today we're going to be learning how to make a Flappy Bird. First, you need to create a new project. I'm going to delete my Sprite 1. I have all the assets already in my backpack, but those are the costumes. So I need to create 3 sprites. And I'm going to put the pipe costume in one, and then here's the other pipe costume. And now, finally, the bird. As you see, the bird is way oversized. And by the way, I'll put the assets in the link in the description. And the bird will be size 8. And we want to position. So first, we would need to, when green flag is clicked, we want to place our bird. Go to x negative 100. And then we need to put our y on 14. And then we make score and speed. And we need to set score and speed to 0. And then we need to repeat until and touching sprite 2 and sprite 3. Wait, that's key space. And then we need to change y by speed. And then change speed by negative 0.2. And then when key space is pressed, we need an if. We need a less than speed. No, let's go. If speed is less than 5, then we need to set speed to 3. And now we can code this pipe. When green flag is clicked, go to x 240, then y, pick random from negative 20 to 55. And then we want to do repeat until touching sprite 1. We need to move negative 5 steps. If we need a less than, if x position is less than negative 235, then we want to go to x 300, pick random from the back. Then we want to change score by 1. And then at the end of that, stop all. Drag it there, you can just drop it into that sprite. But the different thing for this sprite is we need to first make it hide. Go to that place, wait 2 seconds, and then show. And we test it. Works. And if you want to make it more even, let's try 3 seconds. Oh, that's 2.5. Yeah, or you could just duplicate this sprite again, and then make it for 4 seconds. And then you could just keep on going. Change this to 3, and this one to 1. this thing's gonna be 2. Boom. And 55 seems a bit too high because I still want the pipes in, so try 50. Right, then we need to set all these to 50. And if you want the background, it'll be in the link in the description. And that is how you make Flappy Bird in Scratch.